Most people think that building a website for their welding business is going to be expensive and it's going to be complicated as well. So now I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website on the Multi-Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Multi-Sites before, Multi-Sites removes all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do once you've registered an account is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, Welder. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Multi-Sites a few basic details about our business. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Multi-Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Multi-Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you. Bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it up because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Multi-Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you already. This is just a guideline, of course. And we've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone at all. But perhaps you've got some of your own images of yourself in action. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 changes to this content, make it a little bit more personalized to your business. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. You definitely can do so, and you don't need to know any website coding. Be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Awesome. Let's pop in our email address over here. We want to make sure that that's visible on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on show email and site. Phone number is click to call. And physical location address, maybe you mobile, but if you have a physical location, you can pop it in here. Once your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Head on over to the next section if you have a business logo. If you don't have a logo yet, check out our other videos. We have some great tips on creating a free logo. You don't need to have a huge budget. Once your logo has been uploaded, click on that pencil if you want to make slight amendments to it. You want to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your website, click on that paint tin, bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you. There's so many to choose from. For each section, you want to make a bit more personalized to your welding business. Click on that update section button directly underneath it. Under update images, where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through that photo library. Hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images. Under update action, we can change those call to action buttons, the text on them, and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file for your customers when they click on that button. In the last section over here is where you can put in your opening hours for your business, your hours that you work. Put in the various days. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving and display your opening hours over here for your customers' convenience. If you have a custom domain, you can click on that yellow button to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we recommend you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your welding business. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.